in this video, I'm going to be announcing the top 3 winners of the Christmas design competition. The top 3 winners will be winning Discord Nitro as a prize, so let's see if you won. So number 1, we got this one right here. This one is super cool, and I'm really surprised that someone knew how to make this because it looks pretty advanced. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just gonna right click on it. I'm gonna save the image to my desktop, and I'm gonna go up to reverseimagesearch.com and upload the image, and I'm gonna search for similar images and we'll see what we get. All right guys, he's definitely a cheater. Yeah. All right, we're gonna move on to the I was just joking. He cheated, obviously. I mean, look at all these other ones. Come on, man. Why you gotta cheat? Why you gotta cheat, bro? All right, so the actual number 1 was pretty obvious. It's Stud. This one looks really clean. I have some speculation that you didn't make this because of a tweet, but it's pretty good anyways, man. I really like how the ground is kind of like the crust of the earth. You know, it's kind of uneven. It's really cool. I like that a lot, and the lights going across it with the candy canes and the hat on top. It looks super nice and clean. I don't have any complaints on this at all. It looks really nice. It's definitely the best one. So good job, man. I'm gonna send you Discord Nitro in your DM, so look out for that. We're gonna move on to number 2. I'd say number 2 is BiteDev. It's pretty unique. It looks pretty cool. I would say that it's kind of hard to it's kind of hard on my eyes like a little bit because it kind of looks pretty trippy, but maybe it's just me. But I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of weird how the hat's cut off though, but overall I think this one's pretty good. It's pretty unique. So good job, dude. I'm gonna send you Discord Nitro right now. 3rd place, we got Ace. So this one, I feel like it's probably just a font that makes it look like this, but either way, it looks pretty good compared to the rest. And so I think it looks really good with the glow, subtle glow. And I know it has nothing to do with the background, but I kind of do like how you put it behind the hill, but that doesn't really affect why I chose this. I just think it looks really good. You have like the texture on it with the subtle glow, the snow on top with like, I don't even know, snowflakes or whatever. It looks really nice. So good job, dude. I'm gonna send you Discord Nitro. Thank you all who participated, and I look forward to future competitions like this one. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.